about the size. Bigger is always better.
Hello and welcome to the Fast Car Big Build in partnership with eBay.
So in this episode we're going to be fitting all the chassis goodies that have turned up since last time.
So we've got a big brake kit.
Cool.
Coilover suspension.
Awesome. Have you got me some wheels?
Not yet, but we're going to get some custom ones made.
Custom? Posh.
Very posh. But what should we crack on with first?
I think suspension. Should we go with that?
Let's get to it. So we've just removed.
We've removed.
Well, you know, I did help.
Oh,
I took that little clip off.
Oh, right, fair enough.
The old struts that aren't actually that old. So, bit of a bonus really, because stick these on eBay, get a bit of money back for them.
Yeah, pretty good.
So, should we get the new goodies out?
Yeah, well, they turned up yet?
They certainly have.
Right, let's go and have a look.
So we've just unboxed the coilover kit for the Civic. Absolutely outstanding quality. Yeah, really nice and iconic colours.
Yeah, I mean, this is as JDM as it gets, isn't it, really? But it's a great quality bit of kit, and what's pretty cool is they come with top mounts, and you still always kind of budget for that, because without these, you know, you have to take the original strut apart. You need specialist tools like spring compressors to keep everything safe. So yeah, great bit of kit. Awesome.
Yeah, saves a bunch of time as well, doesn't it, really?
Yeah,
so,
absolutely.
Well, should we get it on the car?
Yeah, let's go for it.
Jules, come get this. So we've just fitted the brand new coilovers to the car. They look amazing. I'm sure they're going to handle even better. And I mean, what a doddle to fit.
Oh, it was the easiest suspension job I've ever done. I'd highly recommend doing this if you've got a Civic Type R.
So we don't know how it's going to drive yet, but the stock ones of these are so hard, so hopefully it's going to drive much better on the road and even better on the track. But before we take it for a test drive, should we get the brakes on the car?
Yeah, let's get some a nice BBK on there and get going.
Did you get changed?
Yeah, I mean, 3 outfits a day.
Weirdo.
Fashion icon.
Weirdo. So while Midge is fitting the big brake kit on the front, I thought might as well make myself useful. So I've packaged up the front struts and the calipers that we've just taken off, and I'm going to get them listed on eBay to make us a bit of extra cash for some future tuning upgrades. So we're 90% of the way through the big brake conversion, but Midge, why have we gone for these bad boys?
Well, with brakes, it's all about the size. Bigger is always better. Yeah. Have a look at the old disc. Yeah. Compared to the new one, I mean, these are huge. So what that'll do is, as it's spinning, it'll give you more leverage on the outside edge. And we've also upgraded the calipers. Single pots are standard. These are multi-piston, 6-piston in fact. And what that'll do is it gives us much more clamping force on the pads. So what have we got left to do? Well, just need to fit the brake lines, bleed up the system. But while I'm doing that, you can tell us all about these new flashy wheels you've ordered. Yeah, so the wheels, as you can see, we've got this lovely big brake kit on there now, and it'd be a right shame to cover that up with the stock wheels. So what I'm actually thinking is maybe a 3-spoke, something a little bit retro Japanese. But instead of buying one off the shelf, I think we're going to go and see our boys down in 3SDM in Southampton and get them to make us a custom 3-piece setup. I don't know what colour yet, what finish, but I think 3 spokes with these brilliant brakes behind them, it's going to look epic, and it would make it stand out from the crowd because, well, how many FN2 Civic Type R's have you seen on 3-spoke wheels? And if you've got one, stick it in the comments. I'd like to see it. Right, so that's a load of chassis jobs sorted. What's next?
Well, why don't we have a bit of fun, go and test the new suspension, the new brakes out.
I like it.
And while we're doing that, we'll see what tuning upgrades we need, because it needs a little bit more poke, doesn't it? So I think that's the way to go. But that's going to be for the next episode. So remember to like, subscribe and share.
And click the notification bell.
See you later.